In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a coming soon page in Wix. Let's dive right into it. First things first, once you're in your Wix editor, you want to look for the Pages and Menu option on the left-hand side. This is going to be your gateway to managing everything related to the pages on your site. Now, go ahead and click on that Pages and Menu option. You'll see a list of your existing pages, but don't worry about those for now. What we're interested in is adding a new page. At the top of this section, there's a button that says Add Page. Give that a click, and you'll be presented with a range of options for different types of pages you can create. For this particular project, we want to focus on a landing page. These are simple, straightforward pages ideal for announcing something new or directing visitor attention to a single message. After selecting Landing Page, you'll be presented with several design templates. Each comes with its own unique style and feel. Browse through these options to find a design that resonates with the type of branding or message you're aiming to convey with your Coming Soon page. However, if you're feeling creative or have a particular vision, you can always opt for a blank page. This way, you can start from scratch and have complete control over the design elements. Once you've settled on the perfect template or decided to brave the path of starting from scratch, it's time to give this new page a name. Something straightforward like Coming Soon works perfectly. After naming your page, hit that Done button. At this point, you're all set to add some content. Consider adding a few key components to make your page informative and engaging. Perhaps a catchy headline announcing your upcoming product or service, a bit of information or teaser to pique curiosity, and don't forget to add some visuals. Images or graphics can go a long way in maintaining visitor interest. And there you have it, a quick and easy Coming Soon page in Wix. Feel free to customize it further to your heart's content. You can tweak fonts, colors, and layouts to align perfectly with your future site's theme. Remember, your Coming Soon page is often the first impression people get, so make it count. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.